I'm going to make a Bloody Mary crab cake. These are the ingredients. We've got the blue crab, 200 grams, some spring onions, just one will do, some red chilies without the seeds, a little bit of chives, just chopped nicely, half a lemon juice, some tomato puree, some Worcestershire sauce, Tabasco, and some mashed potato, which I did earlier. Okay, we literally all we do is mix it all together. Okay, so we're going to put the mashed potato in, and then the spring onions, red chilies, tomato puree, lemon juice, crabmeat in afterwards. So a couple of spots of Tabasco sauce, an easy one. If you like it hotter, make it hotter. And some good old Worcestershire sauce. So again, we just rolled it in, just make it all go together. I think that's about it, just looks like that. Okay, so we've got a baking tray, same as before, and some parchment. Again, it's just to stop the fish cake from sticking to your tray. So what we're going to do is egg, flour and breadcrumb. So just turn them into little balls, little cakes. Flour first, and into the egg. Making sure you get one hand dry, one hand wet, and then into the breadcrumbs. So just covering it, pat it down into, making sure you get plenty of coverage of your eggs. And then they're ready to go in the oven. Okay, these are the Bloody Mary crab cakes. Been in the oven about 18-20 minutes and are now ready to plate up. So, there we go, and enjoy.